okay, so I can remove it from the stem. Look.
Hey, that's my bowl.
Yeah. Baba, you want to? You like this one?
Kai. Kai.
What? It's what's here. I want this one.
You
You're in the water.
can wear it in the water.
Kai, just borrow.
I want to put the ant here. I want to put that here. How about you ask the fish?
Ayun ni Anhe.
Yeah.
Ayan, ano ka ni Anhe?
How about you touch it?
Talagang hindi pumunta dito. Sabi niya, anong gagawin ko dyan?
Tama nga naman, mag-aabang-abang lang sa mga batang makulitis. See, it's hot.
Too hot?
No, my hair is hot.
Your hair is hot?
Yeah.
Yung dalawa umaano.
Tubig too.
Give me your shoes, Faith. Give me eye flow.
I want that suit.
Yeah, later when Michaela's finished, you have to take turn, yeah?
But I want those.
Yeah, later after Michaela.
5 minutes, after 5 minutes.
Remember you take turns. Meron naman silang ganyan na sa party.
Alam mo naman sila, te, mga bata. Daling ni Faith mag-match, oh. Di ba?
Nakasandal ka siya.
Di ba? Alam niya ikakasya sa kanya.
It's hurting Michaela floor.
Dito yung pagsalita niya. Oh, you dance. Makila, you show your ballet to Ate Faith and Flo.
You show me your
Oh, go.
ballet.
Oh, you show your ballet to Lala.
Well done.
Like this, like that.
Oh, go. Show your gymnastic, Ate. Oh, Flo, dance. Ate Flo, Ate Faith, show your gymnastic.
It's your turn, Ate Faith. Kapal that. You stay here? Oh. 5 more minutes. Yeah? Okay. Flo, 5 more minutes and then we'll go, yeah?
Show your ballet then, Flo and Kai Kai.
Ngayon ko lang na
Oh, Ate Faith, it's your turn. Hindi ko na-save pala, te. Oh, Ate Faith, it's your turn, your gymnast.
Hindi na tuloy. Okay, dance. Well done. Yay! Wonder Room.
Alright, turn around. Turn around, Flo. Oh.
Dad, nakalimot ko duty, Mlay ko. Paan na, Mina. Bye.
Bye-bye, Michaela. Bye.
How about Flo? You hug together? Flo?
I can carry it.
Oh. Florence? Oh. Are you? How about Flo? How about Flo?
Bye, Michaela. Bye-bye.
Oh, you hug Florence. Oh, you hug Florence na.
You will have a house, miss?
Florence, you hug Michaela na.
Wait, Florence.
Kai, you hug Florence.
Um,
Kai, you hug Florence. Sige na. Oh, group hug. Group hug. Oh, group hug. Ala, Lolo is there outside. Oh, group hug na, group hug. Oh, group hug. Group hug, three of you. Oh. Oh.
I miss you, Kayla.
Oh.
Hello.
Kanina pa yan sila.
Hindi na sila naghiwalay.
Wanna go to our house? No, I want it. Okay, I'm gonna my house one.
Okay.
Next time, anak. Next time you going to your to her. Te, thank you, te, ha.
Mark, para malaman
Oh,
niya
sige,
kung
te.
naman.
Bye, Michaela.
Kanina pa nagbabay.
Bye-bye, Ate Faith.
May rice din? May rice sa kanya.